Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Andrew and Nick here. And as you guys saw in the last video, Nick is now part of the CSP team officially, and that means that we have to actually have a place for him to do work. Since I'm a typical boss that you guys know, I put him in a position where he's got to do something else. That's not his position.
Wait, what?
We're actually going to be fitting out our old lunchroom, which was our old office, and turning it into an office for both of us to do some good media stuff. To do this, we took a ride to the land of the free, the home of the depot, the Home Depot. A place where you're senile and you can still work.
Yep.
I'd ordered desks and carpets, but I didn't do anything else. I didn't get paint, I didn't have a plan. I was just like floating on a dream here, hoping that this was all going to work out. So we started adding stuff to the cart.
Good thing for me, I did have some prior experience laying flooring, but it had been a while.
Thanks, Nick.
And when I said a while, I meant it was like 15 years, so you can see I didn't get the right glue.
We've all been there, buddy. Nothing to beat yourself up about. Honestly, at this point, I don't even know what we're buying. But I do know that marketing sold me the color of this room. I never knew they could do multiple paint cans at the same time. Don't put that one in. Get a different one.
You don't want this one?
It was touching things.
You know, the older you get, the more fun you have at Home Depot, but you know, then I realized when I got back to the shop, I had to do all this work myself.
Well, Nick, I have things to do, and you don't even have a desk yet.
Wait, I thought you were going to help me with this.
Sorry, you're breaking up. Got Nick a monitor, but I brought the wrong car, so yeah, it's going in the front seat. And just like that, the monitor's in, and I can put the top up. Student driver. Aren't we all student drivers?
So there's this thing. And then here's the weird part. I think I can do it mid. I can flip it to that mid-frame.
I can't do
which
that.
is weird. I don't know why you would want to do that.
I have no idea. That's like, hey, I fucked up and I wanted to film it the other way.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
So late last night, we had a C8-Z06 dropped off for tuning, and I was getting ready for that, and Nick was deciding to make sure I looked good for my appearance.
Well, while the car warms up and Andrew's getting coffee, hold on. What? Turn that way. Turn back that way.
The beauty shot.
That's okay.
Is it alfalfa?
It's alfalfa today, man. It's a Monday.
I did not sleep well. Yeah. So bad. So, wait a second. Coffee. So what do you think it's gonna do? Do you know anything about these?
I don't know anything about the C8-Z1s or Z06s. See, I don't even know what the fuck car is.
Thanks, Nick. $589. You know what? It did better than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be like $540, and stock the dyno at like $570.
Yeah.
So this is higher than I expected. Honestly, I am surprised and impressed. It seems like something on here is certainly adding power, so that's really cool. There's a lot of stuff going on this week, but we got to get back to building this office.
So here we are in the finished office. We just need to build our desks, and this right here is one desk. One desk, not two. The other one is still in the box over there. And as you can see here, they've literally utilized every letter of the alphabet to mark all the hardware. So we learned our ABCs today, which is great. And you know, this particular desk, it says on the old instruction manual that it takes 2 people about 4 hours. So we're gonna take 1 person out of there because I'm doing it myself. We're gonna probably double that time. We'll see.
So we got one more thing to finish up this room from what you guys are gonna see.
What you guys didn't see
Yeah.
was all the other stuff that we did.
There's actually a lot more to go.
And it's the centerpiece of the LS block. The staple. It's the front centerpiece.
Should we do it together?
You hold one side, I hold the other.
It's like an award.
Is that right?
Maybe. We just gotta get this video out though.
Ta-da!
We have an office!
Yes!
That means that we can begin the next stage of our evolution to podcasters. So the desks are standing desks, which is pretty cool.
So that's what it looks like raised.
Yep.
So,
Which it probably won't be until like my back is in pain.
and I can do the same thing except mine's on this side. So if I want to raise, press it.
I want to be the same as him.
It supports 200 pounds.
It does
so
support 200 pounds. Just out of curiosity.
Wait, how much do you weigh?
195. Dude,
Oh. Dude, you got me doing all
is this video that bad?
You got me doing all this manual labor, man.
This video is that bad that you fell asleep in it.
It might be.
To be fair, I'm the one who edited this video, but Nick is going to actually be starting soon. There's going to be a little bit of a transition period before he's producing the videos that are on the channel, and I'm kind of producing maybe a couple of them. I don't know. We don't know how it's going to work, but the big thing that we want to get going is that podcast, YouTube live kind of event that we're going to be beginning here. So definitely make sure that you pay attention, because we're going to be announcing when we're going live and we reveal everything that happened to Nick over the last 4 or 5 years.
Everything.
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 All of it.
Nothing. Totally uncensored.
Yeah. The medical stuff, like this.
What?